off. Where are the views?
That box. Tell us what you did. Tell everybody about the whole design.
Thank you. It was difficult. It was fun though. Virtual ecology. Do it. All right. Next box.
Well, first he's got a door on there.
Yeah.
Special door because, well, Eric, you were attending a few of these boxes in Idaho. Tell us about that door.
So with that door, you can open it up and you can actually go in and see the nestlings. And I don't know, maybe eventually we could experiment and put bands on them and stuff like that. Take pictures. But it's also used for when the barn owls are done and they fly south. We open it back up and then we just scrape out all the crap that they haven't completed over there.
It's a lot of crap.
Yeah, yeah. They kind of turn it into nice bedding and stuff like that. So it's really nice, good smelling stuff.
Garden compost?
Yes, garden compost. That's a great way to put it.
You gotta clean them out like every fall, and like wear a bunch of hazard stuff for it.
Put on the N95 mask.
Yeah, a whole bunch of stuff. Yeah.
And
Put
the
on a
hole
paint
up
suit.
here is a very specific size. If it's too big, then the bully, called the great horned owl, he busts in there and kills the chicks, takes the nest,
Yeah.
changes the address, all that kind of stuff. So that's the size just for the barn owl to fit through nicely.
The red-tailed hawks too. They'll
Yeah.
mess with them. So.
Yep.
What are the grooves for?
The little trenches in front of the hole, that's just so they have a little something to get on to help them. And it's also a lot of commercial boxes, you'll see like a wraparound porch for like an owl box or something like that. And I'm dealing that with another design issue because I'm working with a bunch of architects on this project. And they're like, oh yeah, it looks so much better with a porch on it and like a perch. And you're just inviting predators and pests and things like that into the box. So I'll have to deal with them later. But yeah, it's, you know, these kind of boxes you don't want any perch or anything like that for them. Yeah, and it's about high enough inside the box too that until the chicks are too big, they can't get out. But you know, we'll see how much they really want to get out when they're too young. And you know,
That's the big warning about these great
Yeah.
horned owls is that they'll put a perch inside so they can kind of get out. Chick jumps up on the hole, jumps out, can't fly, flapping all the way down, breaks its neck on the ground and dies.
yep,
Always a pile of dead owls. So don't put a ledge inside.
yeah,
Wait until they can actually flap to that hole. Then hopefully they'll be able to fly for landing on the ground.
yep.
At least be able to
Fly
land their
with
wings
style.
and
Yeah.
glide down.
And
So.
the hardest part of the box was the camera mount. Well, it was the hardest because we had to figure out like lens adaptations and like all this stuff because there's no commercial or any other solution really we could find for it. They don't really have remote like camera setups for this, so we kind of had to make one up. So that
Everything that people sell, they want to like hook up to the
Wi-Fi.
and broadcast it out.
Yeah, there's no Wi-Fi.
We actually had to send out some telecameras because they need cell phone connection. Yeah, but that's $20 a year to her camera. Just a month, not a year.
Oh, that's even worse.
A month already. So we didn't do that. The camera, what we do have on it, and the other camera guys are on it, different magnification levels. And I have the 1X on this. It's a good mix between its focus and not being too much of a but this gives us 24 inches to look at and it's a good presentation on it. Now we've got the solar panel, good power.
Back up.